Glee.
Get ready for bed with me using my new Teeth Sparkle Kit from Glee Glow. So the first step is to take your toothbrush and brush your teeth so that you have a good clean base to start with. Then you're going to use the syringes with the teeth whitening stuff in it, and you're going to put it in your mouthpiece. Okay, so it says to put 0.3 to 0.5 cc of the sparkle gel into the top and the bottom of the tray. And you also don't want to overflow the tray, so you just use a little bit. Okay, so then you are going to turn the light on and you're going to leave it in for, okay, here's the light, oh, okay. And you're going to leave it in for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, then after the 20 to 30 minutes, you're gonna rinse it off and clean it all good and put it back in the little case that they give you. So after cleaning it, we're just gonna put it back in the case to use it for next time. And we are going to take the Remineralization Gel to put on your teeth just to protect it from being too sensitive. So you're gonna turn it clockwise and you're only supposed to apply it to your teeth and do not get it on the gums.
Okay, once you put that on, you're just gonna sit back and relax and let it sit for 5 minutes and then you rinse it with warm water. So this is the final product and you can use this little marker to see how white your teeth get while using it. I can't wait to continue using it and see my progress. Bye!